The new policy has been approved by Cabinet. Can you share some details regarding it? And also, is this the textile policy that was much awaited, or is there something else that we can expect for bettering the textile sector?
Well, this is a part of the textile policy which is yet to come. We are finalizing that also, and we are very hopeful that within a month or so we will be taking that also to the cabinet. But this is a special package only to give a boost to the garmenting sector in the textile sector, basically to have employment potential and generate about 1 crore jobs in the garmenting sector in the next 3 years. So this is a special package of 6,000 crores which the cabinet has approved today to give a boost to the employment in the garmenting sector.
Now, in terms of the tax benefits, what can companies expect? And also, you mentioned that the government will be taking over and changing some of the EPF structure as well. What are the details regarding them?
Well, there are two parts to it. There are some tax incentives which have been approved today. One being relating to the direct tax, that is under the 80JJJ Income Tax Act. Till now, people could take 30% discount based on employment for 240 days. Now, this has been brought down to 150 days, meaning that even if an employee has been kept only for 150 days, the employer will be able to take benefit under this scheme, Secondly, some indirect tax benefit has also been approved today. Till now, the duty drawback was given only on the central levies. But today, a decision has been taken to give a 5% additional duty drawback to cover the state levies like VAT, CST, electricity duty, etc. also. This will give a big boost to the manufacturers in the garmenting sector.
Now, in terms of employment generation, what number do you estimate will this aid in terms of employment generation and ensuring that more and more people get jobs within the textile sector?
We are very confident that with the implementation of the special package, minimum of 1 crore jobs will be generated in the garmenting sector in the next 3 years.
Now, in terms of the EPF structure tweaking, if there are workers within the textile industry, what benefits have been given to ensure that they have some sort of a pension security coming up for them?
The benefits which have been approved today is for every additional employee which will be kept by the industry. The entire EPFO contribution which the employer has to make of 12% will be made by Government of India, the entire in the garmenting sector. Secondly, option will also be given to the employee whether they want to contribute their share of the EPFO or not. This is an option to ensure that they get better wages and their take-home salary is better than what they are getting today.